Hello there, let's talk today about the Mubview camera not connecting to the Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I have this Mubview camera, the small one, and also have a PTZ camera, also from Mubview, right? Let's say, for example, yours is not connected to the Wi-Fi, like mine is right now. I have it connected to the Wi-Fi, and also I can see it via my cell phone. Here, for example, if yours is not, you need to reset your camera. So basically, you need to use a paper clip like this one, for example. I have one here that I need to use to reset the camera. So let me just show you how to do this. Here, for example, you can just open this part and you're gonna find this reset hold just right here. You just press and hold it, okay? Wait for some time. Then you hear a cuckoo sound and the camera is being reset. Here we go, you hear a chime and the camera starts blinking like this. Let me just show here. See, it's blinking red and it's ready for the connection again. And see here, my cell phone is no longer working. Then I can just remove this one. I come here and remove the device. Let me just show you here. I click here, remove device, delete device, right? Delete it from here, and I'm ready to go. As you can see, I have the image of another camera here, the other one back there, and I'm gonna insert a new one here with this plus signal, add a device. Here I select battery camera, and here there's the information, okay? That I need to hold the device power button to start the device. Here we go, I already have the device blinking here in red, which means it's ready to go. Then I click next, and I need to reset the camera, which I already did. Next again, and here's the important part, okay? Here is the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. You need to use 2.4, don't use 5 gigahertz, otherwise it's not gonna work. Sometimes that's the problem. You're trying to use 5 gigahertz instead of 2.4 and doesn't work. And also make sure the password is correct here. I had some errors before because I was using the wrong password here for my Wi-Fi. If you get that correct, 2.4 gigahertz, and the Wi-Fi is going to work. So that could be the solution for you. If by the end of the process it's not working, you try again with a different Wi-Fi bandwidth like 2.4 and also with the correct password here, okay? Then I just click next. And here just confirm the Wi-Fi and password, okay. And now it's time to point the camera to read the QR code. So I just use the camera and point in here like this. Then I hear a cuckoo sound again. Okay, and it starts blinking blue. It's steady blue, right? Not blinking, but it's steady blue. I hit next here and it's added successfully. So pretty easy, okay? So the problem usually is with the 2.4 gigahertz network and also with the username and password. And then what you have to do is just make sure they're using the correct one. Just put the camera here so you can see that's working, right? Next here, and I select, let's say, bedroom, done, just the name for the camera. Next again, next, and then it's connected to the camera right now, okay? So guys, when it's not working, you just need to make sure that you're using the 2.4 gigahertz, make sure the password is correct, and you can just reset the camera and start over. Something else that you can do is just restart your router, right? Unplug it from the power, connect it back, and you're good to go. Reset your camera as I did here. Make sure you're using 2.4 gigahertz, make sure the password is correct, and it's going to work for sure, okay? Most of the case it works for this small camera here, and also works with this big camera here, okay? The PTZ camera. So that's all for today. That's the way you can solve the problem with the Mubview camera not connecting to the Wi-Fi. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.